children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. Stay home, stay safe, children. And I'm sending homework also through My Class Campus app. Are you doing that homework in your notebook, children? I hope you all are doing homework. Children, today we are going to study another topic of maths. This topic already I have explained in the last video. So let's begin the class. All of you take out your textbook, page number 27. Children, I'm reading the question. Which is greater, which is lesser? This topic I have already explained you. Already you have learned this topic in class 2 also. We'll recall the topic. Let's begin the class. Page number 27, open all of you. Children, I'm reading the question. Read along with me. Mayuri arranges bricks like this. See and tell which is greater and which is lesser. See, this girl arranged some bricks here. Okay, 5 bricks are less than 7. Here you see, she arranged 5 bricks and here she arranged 7 bricks. So you can see and tell. Okay, which side bricks are less, which side bricks are more. By seeing this only you can say which side bricks are less and which side bricks are more. So what you can say, children? 5 bricks are less than 7 bricks. 5 bricks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bricks are less than 7 bricks. See, count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Height you see. These 5 bricks are lesser than 7 bricks. 5 bricks are less than 7 bricks. Imagine this is the mouth of the crocodile. I have already told you, crocodile always wants to eat bigger number. Crocodile always wants to eat bigger number. It means 5 is less than 7. 5 is less than 7. 5 is smaller than 7. So, if this is the mouth of the crocodile, okay children, see here, 5 and 7. These are the single digit numbers, 5 and 7. You know, 5 is smaller than 7. If you imagine, these are the mouths of the crocodile. Okay. And which side number means which number crocodile wants to eat? 5 or 7? You know already, 7 is the bigger number. 7 is the bigger number. So, crocodile wants to eat. It will open its mouth towards bigger number. So, this sign represents less than 5, less than 7. This is less than sign. Children, how to put the sign if you know, then after that you can read the numbers. 5 is less than 7. This symbol represents the less than. Okay children, I hope you understood. 5 is less than 7. Next. Here, if you will observe this side, 7 bricks are more than 5. Here, 5 bricks are less than 7 is nothing but 7 bricks are more than 5. 5 is less than 7 or 7 is greater than 5. Both the sentences are same only. Okay children, see here. Here we put which symbol? What is this symbol? Exactly, less than symbol. 5 is less than 7. Here you see, if the number 7 came to the left side, then the symbol also changed here. See, 7 came to the left side, then the symbol also changed. The mouth of the crocodile, if imagine This is the mouth of the crocodile. Then crocodile always wants to eat bigger number. So here 7 is right side. I wrote 7 right side. Here I written 7 left side. So whichever side bigger number there, that side the crocodile mouth will open. So here towards 7 the mouth will open. Here towards 7 the mouth will open. Means what you understood, children? Yes, always crocodile wants to eat bigger number. These two examples you can observe carefully. Okay, now I want to explain with another example. So here I'll give you 2-digit numbers 20 and 15. I told you whenever you'll get a 2-digit number, first you write a 10 ones, places you have to write. 2-digit number, whenever I'll give you, if I'll say compare these numbers and put the correct sign, then what you have to do, children, first you have to write a places. 10th place, 1's place. 10th place, 1's place. Okay, now observe carefully 10th place numbers both the sides. 10th place numbers both the sides. Here we have 2 and here we have 1. So you know 2 is bigger than 1, 2 is smaller than 1. 2 is bigger than 1, 2 is smaller than 1. Exactly, 2 is bigger than 1. So then automatically this number will be the bigger number than this side number. So 2 is bigger than 1. So now you read this number 2 0 20, 1 5 15. So 2 0 20, towards 20 the crocodile mouth will open. Why? Because 2 is bigger than 1. Now the mouth of the crocodile will open towards the bigger number. So now I am reading the number, see 20, 15. Now this sign is called as, yes, greater than. 20 is greater than. 20 is greater than 15. Children repeat. 20 is greater than 15. 5 is less than. Symbol, children, sign is very important. After seeing this sign, after after putting the sign, you have to read the numbers along with this sign. 5 is less than 7. Here 20 is greater than 15. I hope you understood, children. Let's go to the next topic. So here the number of bricks is equal. See, this side 2 bricks are there and this side also 2 bricks are there. So it means 2 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2. You know equal to sign. How you can write? Can you write equal to sign? Very easy, no? It is shown as 2. See these 2 lines. Okay, this sign is called as equal to. It is shown as 2 is equal to 2. Okay, here we wrote in words, here we put sign. 2 is equal to 2. Now let's continue the topic. Mayuri asked her friend to form 2-digit numbers using 5 and 7. She asked which is greater, which is lesser. Can you help Mayuri's friend? The numbers formed using the digits 5 and 7 are 5 7 57 and 7 5 75. Already you know, children, how to form numbers using digits. Okay, here 2 numbers, 2 digits are given. Using these two digits, we can form two numbers, 5, 7, 57 and 7, 5, 75. So children, first you expand this 57. In this 57, how many tens are there? You know, first you have to write places, tens, ones. Okay children, shall I write on this notebook? Okay, 57. In this 57, how many tens are there? There are 5 tens. Okay, now here in this 57, how many ones are there? There are 7 ones. Okay, using 5, 7 digits, we form two numbers that numbers are 57 and 75. Here I expanded 57. Now I am expanding 75. First you write places, tens, ones. Children, tell me how many tens are there and how many ones are there in 75? There are 7 tens and there are 5 ones. Is that clear? Observe. Now tens place. Okay, here in tens place we have 5. Here in tens place we have 7. Now just now I explained here. Look at here this example. 5 is less than 7. 5 is less than 7. So 5 is less than 7. Tens place number you observe carefully. Okay, here I am writing 57 and 75. Observe carefully tens place numbers. Okay, I told you whenever you have a two-digit number, then you have to observe first tens place digits. If tens place digits are same, then you have to go to ones place digits. So first you observe tens place digit. 5, 7. 5 is less than 7. 5 is greater than 7. Yes, you will say, teacher, 5 is less than 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So 7 is bigger number. 5 is smaller number. 7 is bigger number. So crocodile wants to eat always bigger number. So it will open its mouth towards bigger number automatically. Once you read this question, 5, 7, 57. 7, 5, 75. So 57 is less than 75. 57 is less than 75. Or you can write like this also. 75 is greater than 57 is also right answer. Is greater than 57 is less than 75 is also correct. And 75 is greater than 57 is also correct only. Both are correct answers. So you can write like this. Means you have to observe carefully tens place number, children. Which side you have a bigger number, that side only you have to open the mouth of the crocodile. Okay, it means greater than symbol or less than symbol you have to put carefully. Now both the sides same numbers are given. For example, here I have 100 and this side also I have 100. Then what I have to do? First you observe 100 place digits. 100 place digits are same both sides. 1, 1. Here we have 1. Over here also we have 1. Tens place. Then when we have digits, same digits in 100 place, then we have to go for tens place. Tens place also we have 0. Over here we have 0. Then tens place digits also same. Then we have to go and check ones place numbers. So here we have 0 and here also we have 0. So both the sides we have same number. Then what we have to put here? Here we have to put equal to sign. Is equal to. is equal to. Children, I hope you understood. Now, I explained just now. Here, correct sign you have to put, children. Put the appropriate symbol. Here 5 is there and here is 7 is there. So 5 is less than 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So always, children, tell me, always crocodile wants to eat bigger number. So it will open towards 7. So 75 is greater than 57 or 57 is lesser than 75. Let's continue the topic. All of you take out your textbook, page number 28, children. Write the correct symbol. Write the correct symbol. Page number 28. Do this. Write the correct symbol. Greater than, less than, equal to in the blank boxes. First, example, I'll explain. And questions I'm writing here. And children, you have to answer correctly. Okay, I hope you understood how to put the right symbol in the given blank. Now there is no doubt for you all. Okay, children? Can you answer my question? Yes, I hope so. Children, page number 28, children. Do this bit. First bit I am starting today. So, write the correct symbol greater than, less than, equal to in the blank boxes. So, here first we will observe carefully examples. So, here whenever you are going to read the question, first whether it is 2-digit number or 3-digit number, you have to observe carefully whether it may be 2-digit number or 3-digit number. Don't worry. First you have to write places. This is very important step. Okay, children. Already he have given answers in the textbook for this example question. But I don't want to show you that answer. Now you have to answer my question. So here in 10th place, we have 3 this side, and here in 10th place we have 5. So 3 is smaller than 5. 3 is smaller than 5. 5 is greater than 3. So 3 is smaller than 5. You know very well, 3 is smaller than 5. So on the number line, if you'll go, for example, counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If the numbers will go to the right side, numbers will increase. Can you see that line? Okay. If you'll come to the left side, numbers will decrease. Okay. Decrease. So what you have understood? See, 3 is smaller than 5. So what you understood? 5 is greater than 3. So crocodile wants to eat bigger number. Already here only you got confirmation that 53 is bigger than 35. First you read the number 3, 5, 35, 5, 3, 53. So crocodile wants to eat bigger number. 5 is bigger than 3. So crocodile wants to eat a bigger number. Here only in 10th place, after observing the 10th place number only, you will get the answer. If tens place number are same, then you have to observe ones place number. Here no need to observe ones place number. Here only you got the answer. So 3 is smaller than 5. So you know 5 is greater than 3. So crocodile wants to eat bigger number. So 53 crocodile will eat. So it will open its mouth towards 53. So now you read this. 35 is less than 53. Understood, children? Now, next question. Observe carefully. Children, 5, 3, 53. 5, 3, 53. Here in tens place, we have 5. Here also in tens place, we have 5. If tens place digits are same, then we have to go and observe ones place number. Now, all of you observe ones place number. Here we have 3 and here also we have 3 in ones place. So, both the sides we have same number. So, which symbol we have to put here? Equal to sign. Both the sides same numbers means we have to put equal to sign. Now, next question. Children, here I have in tens place 5. Here I have in tens place 3. So, you know 5 is greater than 3. So, what you understood here? Absolutely right. Crocodile wants to eat 5 or 3. Yes, obviously 5 it want to eat. Why? Because crocodile always wants to eat bigger number. So, towards 53 it will open its mouth. So, 53 is greater than 35. So, now you have to help me to solve this remaining questions. Are you ready, children? Let's start. First, what I have to do? First, I have to write places of the digits. Tens ones, tens ones. Okay, children? Here, in tens place, I have 8 and in tens place here, we have 6. So now tell me, children, 8 is greater than 6. 6 is greater than 8. Observe this line. See, 6. After 8 we got. So, what you understood? 8 is greater than 6. So, 8 is greater than 6. Understood, children? 8 is bigger than 6. So, what is this number reader? 8, 6, 86. 6, 8, 68. First you observe tens place number, then you got answer, means you understood which is the greater number. Then easily you can put the symbol there itself. Now in tens place here I have 8 and here I have 6. So you know very well that 8 is greater than 6. So automatically this 86 will become greater than 68. So crocodile wants to eat 8, 6, 86. So towards 86 it will open its mouth. Understood, children? Next. Here in tens place I have 2 and here in tens place I have 7. 2 is greater than 7 or 2 is smaller than 7? Answer my question, children. Teacher, you will say, teacher, 2 is smaller than 7. See, after 2, I got 7 here on the number line. Okay, when you will go to the right side, the numbers will increase. So, 2 is smaller than 7. 2 is smaller than 7. So, what you understood? Crocodile wants to eat bigger number. So, which is the bigger number? 7 is the bigger number. Now, you read the number 2, 7, 27. 7 to 72. So towards 72, mouth of the crocodile will open. Children, now you answer this. Here I have 6 in 10th place. Here also I have 6 in 10th place. When we have same numbers in 10th place, then we have to go and check ones place number. So here in ones place I have 8. Here in ones place I have 8. Both the sides I have same number. So which symbol I will get here? Equal to. Both the sides same numbers are given means without any doubt put equal to sign. Let's go to the next question. Observe carefully 10th place digit and here 10th place digit. You know 7 is smaller than 8. 8 is greater than 7. So 8 is greater than 7. So you know always crocodile wants to eat bigger number. So you know already 8 is greater number than 7. So crocodile wants to open its mouth towards this number. Now you read this number 8, 9, 89, 7, 5, 75. So 89, towards 89, crocodile wants to open its mouth. So read the number 89 is greater than 75. Children, here first bit I have completed. Let's go to the next bit. Second bit. Children, this bit is very easy bit. Already we have solved the same bit in the previous exercise. Here, this bit you have to do on your own. Today's homework is this only. And I sent few more bits related to the last class topic through My Class Campus app today in the morning. Solve that homework also. Solve that bits also in your notebook. And this bit also. Today's homework for you. And I want to tell you one more thing. Are you learning tables, children? I told you to learn 2, 3, 4 tables. Are you learning? I hope you are learning. And daily you learn thoroughly, perfectly you learn. Today tables, 5 table and 6 table you learn, children. 5 and 6 tables. Tables are very, very, very important, children. You have to learn. Okay, children? And related to this topic, I have already sent few more bits, worksheets also. I'll send you few worksheets which are related to this chapter through My Class Campus app. That link please open and do on your own, children. Very easy bits these are all. So children, solve this bit. First one I will explain, and B, C, D, E, F you have to do on your own, children. Look at here, I am reading the question. The 3-digit numbers formed using 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7. 3-digit numbers are given here. Using these 3 digits, they formed 3-digit numbers. 2, 6, 7. 267, 276, and 627, 672, 726, 762. Can you write the hundreds, tens, ones in these numbers? Very easy bit this is. Children, here, first of all, what you have to do? First, you have to write the places of the digits. Okay, children? First, hundreds place. We have in hundreds place 2. So, how many hundreds are here? There are 200. So, in hundreds place, observe carefully and tell me how many hundreds are there. There are 200. So, in this yellow color box, you have to write 2. And now you observe carefully how many tens are there here. Yes, exactly. There are 6 tens. And here in ones place, how many ones are there? There are 7 ones. Easy, no, children? Have you got this answer? After writing the places of the digits, it is very easy to fill up this blank. So, children, observe this example. Means I have done no. Observe this answer carefully, and remaining questions you have to solve on your own. Children, thank you and have a nice day.